What's going on, YouTube fam? So my good friends at Rider Bag sent me this awesome backpack for me to review, so let's have a look at this baby. Alright, so Rider Bag. Here's their Instagram handle. Check them out. This is a pretty sweet backpack. It's supposedly, specifically designed for motorcyclists. It is called Rider Bag after all. So let's have a look inside of this baby. Obviously, right off the bat, you can see all this stuff is reflective for nighttime. The gray and the green is obviously one of the most visible colors to the eye. So the green helps you be seen in the daytime. In the main pouch, let's see, we have a laptop pocket. That's pretty cool. Very nice. We've got all kinds of straps so we can tighten it down so it's not flopping all over the place when you ride. I like that. Let's take a look at the small pocket. The zippers feel very sturdy. They have these hooks so it's easier to do with gloved hands. Ooh, what is this? Oh, check it out. This is a helmet net. You can put your helmet in here. And we'll test that out in a minute. But let's take a look in here. Okay, it's got pouches for, papers, wallet, whatever. Pens. This is pretty nice. Feels like very good quality. Let's zip it up. It's got a port here for your headphones. You can pull your headphones out through here and back to your helmet. Obviously, it's got two bottle pouches. This here, okay, so let's check this out. So this strap here, I should go get my helmet. Anyway, this strap here, you're gonna hook your helmet chin strap to there, and then I think, right, ish, then these clips here are for your helmet liner. Very cool. Let's see, it's got two padded things here. Call them back straps, call it whatever the heck you want, but they're padded. These things have hooks and clips so you can put all kinds of cool stuff on it. This part here is pivotal on any motorcycle bag. Right here. This is what's going to keep the straps from flying off your shoulders in the high winds. Oh yes, and it has a pocket for a back protector. If you want to slide a back protector in, there's actually a pretty huge pocket. You can put a bunch of stuff in here. Maybe use it as a concealed carry pocket. Maybe. Alright, what do you say we load this baby up with some stuff and take it for a ride? Alright, let's see what the label says. Take this out. Rider Bag, Reflector 35. It's a reflective backpack. Solid pattern type, polyester and nylon. It is waterproof, unisex. It's got an air cushion belt. Reflective green and gray. Very cool. So, like I said, we have the zippers, a reflective cool little logo. Water pouches, all kinds of stuff. Let's see. That is not in English. Is this one in English? It came with two. This one, let's see. That is not in English. That's in Spanish. This one's in English. Oh, look at that. See, a reflective backpack to get visible at night. Good, check. Portable ring, convenient to take bags. Portable ring, convenient to take bags. Not sure what that means. Two-way cortical pool, good. Advanced waterproof system. Reflective RB logo. Adjustable shoulder strap. Easy to adjust length and bring your variety of options. Side package capacity for bottles and others. Bottom back pocket to add or remove back protector. Earphone output. Helmet bag included. Emergency whistle. What's the emergency whistle? There's an emergency whistle here? Holy crap, this is a whistle. Check this out. That is awesome. Good job, rider bag. That is pretty cool. Alright, let's see here. Got our headphones, a little hat, little mask or face covering or whatnot. Oh, I always gotta keep stickers in the backpack. Duh. Boom, 305 rider sticker. If you want some, just hit me up on Instagram. Had a few people ask me for some. Alright, let's get going. Alright, just a couple more things in the bag. The rider bag. Got a couple of Kyle's tools here. Gotta get my ESS glasses. Alright, so let's see here. Let's tighten her up here and here. Alright, so first impressions are the bag fits really well. Hang on. First impressions are the bag fits really snug, really well. This is a little low. I would bring it maybe a little higher, especially since it's got a waist strap. But it fits well, doesn't move around a lot, and I got it heavy right now. So, really good bag. Like I was saying, a couple mods y'all hadn't seen, I took the crest that was on this side when I crashed. The one on this side was demolished. But the good one, took it, painted it white, put it there, and now we have a really, really cool flippable license plate mount. Alright, let's roll. Wait, gotta close the garage. Alright, let's roll. So I think we're like in week 4, maybe 5, or actually more of the quarantine now. And I gotta say, the one thing that I'm finding was essential, that I absolutely took for granted, was my barber. I feel like cousin Ed from the Addams Family. So far, granted, I haven't gone over 40. Freaking light. I could have made that. So yeah, one thing I've realized I completely taken for granted during this quarantine was my damn barber. I look like cousin It or Uncle It, whatever his name was. My hair hasn't been this long in, Jesus, I don't know, years. But my barber, whose Instagram handle is right here, she's awesome by the way if y'all in Miami, is gonna start making house calls. So tomorrow she's coming by and that'll give me some of that good snip. Oh my god, this light, dude. Jesus. Finally. That was the longest flight of my life. Kind of like this month of April. Anyway, going back to the bag, very snug, very fit. I don't feel it flopping around already. I'm at 60 miles an hour. Very, very comfortable bag. Of course, I haven't taken the time to tuck in all the straps and everything, but I'll do that. But either way, I can't feel them hitting me. So this bag is very reflective, very ergonomic, shall we say. Like you can really feel those 2 strips of cushion down your bag. It's very, very awesome. Very cool. Good job, rider bag. So far. If y'all want to buy one of these lovely bags, honestly, granted, it's been like 15 minutes and they're not paying me or nothing, but they just sent me the bag for free, so I will review it. But after 15 minutes, best backpack I've worn on a motorcycle yet. Of course, I'm gonna have to wear it on the CBR to make a final judgment at some point. I'll do a CBR video with it later. But yeah, so far, very, very nice. It's ventilated. I don't feel like my back is getting completely fucking drenched. And it is fucking hot out here. Oh yeah, so this will probably be the last video we do in Durrell for quite a while. Yeah boy, is a moving. Say goodbye to these streets, because won't be back probably for a while. So, you know, I'll visit. My parents live around here, so I'll visit every once in a while. But it's got to coincide with me making a video, so we'll see. We are going to stop for gas. Get the bike a little gulp gulp. Little dead dinosaur action. Dead dino juice. Oh, by the way, shout out to the man, Bloghead. He just got himself a brand new CBR 600 RR, just like Chaboy. So, you know, props to him. Alright, let's get some dead dino juice. Alright, dead dinos acquired. Let's go. Oh shit, I forgot something. Damn it. Forgot to clip my whistle. So yeah, this feels like week 5, maybe 6 of this quarantine crap. But it honestly, it feels like we've been locked down for freaking months. There are no bars to go to, no restaurants, nobody wants to do big bike events, obviously no gatherings. But as you can see, in Miami, traffic has started to thrive again. Granted, it's not rush hour traffic, but people are getting stir crazy. People are saying, fuck it, I gotta go. Not just stir crazy, people need to work. We gotta try to go, even though they lost their jobs. The government's not responding well with the stimulus payments. A boatload of people still having a crap. A lot of people are gonna have to wait months to get them. People gotta go out and make something happen. They can't just literally sit there and collect unemployment. It's not enough to carry a family. Not enough, not nearly enough. And obviously with an election coming up, you would think the Trump administration would be more on top of this thing, but it turns out like 2 years ago they like killed some pandemic task force or whatever. That was great fucking timing. Yeah, so now that I'm at highway speeds, I am loving the bag. I don't even feel like I'm wearing it. Yeah, so I'm loving my license plate little flip holder thing, because now I can say a big fuck you to MDX, because every time I go past a toll, blip, I just flip it. Seriously, those guys are fucking ridiculous. You ever find that sometimes it may not necessarily be windy, it's like you don't see trees moving and shit, but yet the wind on the highway just feels like, it feels like really bad, like not just for going 70, but the wind feels like it's like flipping you around. Then other times it'll be windy as fuck and you don't feel shit. See, like what the fuck, there's traffic down. We're still under lockdown, people, what the hell. In all fairness, the traffic is probably due to freaking construction, which I am happy that they are taking this opportunity to fucking finish fixing these roads. I will give MDX or whoever the fuck it is props on that. But screw you and your tolls, I'm not taking it anymore. Back to the backpack, I still can't feel that it's on me. It's freaking incredible. And I've got my computer, I've got my handgun in there with some ammo, I've got a couple of drinks in it. It's heavy stuff, quote unquote heavy stuff. And you know, it's really, really, really comfortable. You can really feel air going between you and the bag. I love it. It's very well designed. Props to Rider Bag, man. This bag meets with my seal of approval. See, I looked at apartments in that building, but the only ones they had available had a west view, and I really don't want a west view. I looked at some over there too. Y'all are gonna see where I ended up. It's a really, really, really sweet spot. Yeah, I looked at 2 of those buildings. I looked at a lot of shit, even for being on quarantine. I did a lot of virtual tours. By the way, I think the rental and the real estate industry is gonna, you know, take a big hit out of this, but at least when it came to renting a place, you know, the process they used, it was all virtual, but they adapted well. They took me on like 5 different tours of 5 different apartments, like in multiple buildings. I'm talking about the one I ended up in. And, you know, they walked me through the gym, did all this stuff. Then, right before I decided to sign the lease, they actually let me come by. They left the key for me at the front desk, and I went myself and I looked at the unit. So, you know, they adapted pretty well. Props to them on that. Dude, why do bike people, like bicycle people, insist on riding around like cars? You're not a freaking car, dude, or a motorcycle. Alright, let's call this dude. I'm gonna get his ass down here. Ow. Shit, that was loud. Yo. Yeah, get your ass down here.
Okay, here I come.
Alright. Alright, that's it for right now. We'll be back. Right, so the little net works fucking beautifully. See that? Yeah, bam. Like that's what's up.
Okay.
This shit works. Alright, Alright, so the only critique I have about the bag though, I would put a strap, come closer, I would put a strap back here. So I can like set it down and tighten it to a sissy bar. That's like the only thing I would do. But other than that, this bag is fucking primo quality. Alright, let me see that.
Okay.
Yeah. Everybody say hi to Kyle.
Hey now.
Kyle got in a motorcycle wreck.
Yeah.
Well, just a little accident. He just dropped it. So he's got the boot and the wrist thing, but he'll be back on top soon.
A little bit of fucking.
A little bit of road rash.
I'm good. I'm coming back. I'm back in again. I still ride though.
Still riding though. All right, y'all. That's it. Right safe.